What's up, guys? Once again, welcome to Science and Knowledge. Shehbaz here, and today I'm here with the exclusive leaked design of the future flagship smartphone, LG G9 ThinQ, which looks very stunning. So let's start the video. The first high-quality images of the LG G9 ThinQ. The smartphone will receive a screen with fairly noticeable frames around the perimeters. The first high-quality renderings of the next flagship smartphone of the South Korean company LG, which will be released under the name LG G9 ThinQ, which is preparing to replace the LG G8 model, have been published on the /Leaks website. If you believe the available information, which is created on basis of leaked renderings, the smartphone will receive a screen with fairly noticeable frames around the entire perimeter, as well as a drop-shaped cutout for the front camera. The main camera modules are located horizontally, in a single line in the center upper part of the rear panel. Last year we saw this design with the flagships of LG and rival Samsung. On the bottom of the device are the speaker grill, a USB-C connector for charging and data transfer, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack, which fans should appreciate. The buttons for adjusting the volume and turning on the smartphone are located on the left panel of the LG G9 ThinQ. According to the source, the new LG G9 ThinQ will be equipped with a single-chip system Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and Adreno 650 graphics accelerator, and the smartphone will receive a quad rear camera with LED flash, as well as a single front selfie camera. Recently, the network has published the first live photos of the rear panel of the LG V60 ThinQ, which should be a copy of the LG G9 ThinQ, but with the 5G support. Other phone specifications, features, and price of the smartphones are not officially disclosed, and the presentation of new products will take place at the end of February at the Mobile World Congress exhibition. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.